Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it's all about a moving vlog. I'm moving to a different house or to a new house. So first of all, before I can move, I have to pack the things that we are our things. I'm also going to clean a few things like the curtains because the curtains are dusty and there is no way I can move minus cleaning them. So I'll start with the curtains and also do a little bit of the clothes that are dirty so that I don't get to move with things that are dirty.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like heaven's not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony? Panic, panic,
I love cleaning everything before I can move. Even if there were dirty dishes, I will always clean them. Make sure that everything is clean, the shoes are clean, even the place that I'm moving out of, make sure that it's well swept and everything remains clean before I can move. So here I had to do the curtains and my curtains was super dirty. Even the kitchen one, it's been a while since I cleaned it, so I had to clean all the curtains. This was a very good opportunity for me to be able to clean all my curtains, because if you get to see the water of the now the main curtains, the heavy ones, the yellow ones, they were super dirty. They had accumulated a lot of dust. I think when I last cleaned them, it was like a month ago. Yeah, it was like a month ago. So it's been a while since I did clean my curtains, and it was a good opportunity for me to be able to clean them so that when I move into the new house, the curtains are clean, they are fresh, and you don't have to struggle and start thinking of arranging the house and also start cleaning again. Because when you don't clean, there is no way you're going to put up a curtain that is dirty. Even the guilt won't let you do that. So here I have some hot water. I'm mixing with a little bit of cold water, some baking soda and vinegar. I'm going to soak my toilet mat. It has a lot of brown stains, and instead of me using jig, I decided to use this mixture. This mixture actually works so well. If you leave that mat for a long time inside there, it's going to come out super white. So I decided to soak it. I soaked it like 2 hours, and then I did wash it. But while washing, I just used soap as well, washing powder, and it was super clean. So here I'm hanging the curtains. They already have done with washing them, so I'm going to hang them. It's going to take a short time before I can remove the shears. The shears won't take long before they are dry. So I'm just going to hang them, and then also hang the mat as well, because the mat is already clean. The vinegar and the baking soda honestly did a lot of magic on this mat. As you can see, it's so white. It's so white. My camera might not be doing justice, but it is so white and it is so clean and very fresh. I think the vinegar and the baking soda as also works as a disinfectant. Let me know if you've ever tried that, but I think it really does wonders compared to even jig. So my shears had already dried up, and I decided just to remove them and also fold them for them to be ready for me to move. So here I was arranging all the clothes, making sure that all the container I've really I've used the container wisely so that I can get more space for all the clothes, and it really worked. They really helped me a lot. This container really come in handy whenever I'm moving. they make my work very much easier. Instead of me going for Nigerian bags, I prefer the containers because they are convenient. They take they have a lot of space for you to be able to carry a lot of things, and you are never worried that my maybe if it is a bag it's going to tear out. With the container it is always safe to move with this. So I had also dirty dishes. I wanted to clear the dirty dishes, sorry, the dirty dishes from the sink, make sure the place is super clean. Honestly, I'm going to miss this house, but uh at one time, one just has to move from one step of life to a different one. I'm gonna miss this house because of so many things. I had been attached to this space, but it's okay. The place that I'm moving into, it's also much better than this, and I am really, really thankful that I have to also move to a different place. So I just want to wash the dishes, make sure everything is clean, arrange everything. I wasn't able to film everything because honestly I was doing most of the things by myself, so I had to concentrate on making sure that everything is packed and is in place.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like heaven is not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony? Panic, 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 panic. Tell me, can you hear the symphony?
Next, I tried to disconnect the bed, which really gave me headache, and I decided to leave it until I got help later. So there are things that even if you try doing them, you can never do them. These nuts, I had started removing them well, and then they just refused. Some just refused to come out. So I decided to just leave them because I couldn't just struggle with something that I cannot actually pull. So here I had carried a few things with me to just take first before I can get a vehicle to carry the rest of the things. And here is the new house. Yeah, this is the new house. Yeah, so here is the new house. I just want to show you around a tour of it. This is the living room as you come in. That is the entrance, the door that I had shown you as you come in. This is the living room. It's so huge, it's so spacious. Honestly, I'm in love with this space. The space is too big. It has an extra space where somebody can put a lot of things, which I'm yet to figure out. And then right after the door, the entrance, there is the kitchen. Here is the kitchen as you go in. It really has a lot of working space. I love the working space. It is so spacious. It is so big. In as much as the bottom part is not covered, but it is okay. It also has a lot of storage up there. The space is too big. It's very spacious for me to store the cereals and even the utensils there. And then right on that door, this door over here that I'm trying to unlock, it's a balcony. That is the kitchen balcony. It's also spacious. It's so big. I have a lot of plans with this space. I love it. I really love it. So from the outside of the balcony, as we come in, we come back through the kitchen. There is the tap over there. It has water. Then that is the space once more. That is the kitchen area. So yeah, just take a moment to look at it. And then here's the tap. I was just making sure that there is water. Then right after the kitchen, you still come to the living room, and then this other door goes to the second balcony. Yeah, second balcony. So let me show you the entrance of the main entrance. That is the main entrance, the door that I've just shown you. Then this other side, you can see the window. It's so big. The lighting is so good. This other door just goes into the second balcony, and the second balcony really got my heart. It's so spacious. It has a laundry area. It has a place where somebody can just sit. It has a place where you can hang your clothes. It's really, really, really spacious, and I really loved it. I really honestly loved it. Like you can see the view is just amazing. As you come to this area, this is the laundry area, and I was confirming also if there is water. And then this other side, you can see how long and spacious it is. It's enough space for us to even bask the sun outside there. Then I came back inside. So this is the place, the door that leads to the rooms and everything. This is the bathroom over there and the toilet. So what I want to show you here is the bedroom of the kids. This is the kids' bedroom. Those are the storage cabinets over there. They are very spacious. They are going to accommodate a lot of clothes, all the kids' clothes. I don't have to actually store the clothes in the containers anymore. So they have their own space. They also have a lot of space to fold their clothes and put there. The room really has a very good lighting. The room is very spacious. It's not a squeezed bedroom as I had thought before. It's very, very spacious. So you come back from the kids' bedroom, you go to this corridor. They have actually their own toilet. This toilet can be also used with the guests as well, but we'll come back to it later. So after the corridor is the main bedroom. That is now my bedroom. The lighting is so good. And then here we have, it has a bathroom and a toilet of its own, the shower, the window, everything. It's just a very good space actually. As you can see, I had even tested its flashing. Everything is well. It has the sink right over the corner behind the door. Yeah, this is the shower. I love the shower. It's just beautiful. And then right here over the corner here, we have the sink, like a small sink, yeah, for washing your teeth, everything. So at least I have my own space, my own private place, the toilet that I can use on my own without having to pump into one toilet with the kids. So that is the space. That is the bedroom. It has also storage places. That is the closet. It's so spacious as well. The middle part has been left for somebody. It's a dressing place. So if I want to use it as a dressing area, I can put the mirror in the middle. As you can see, it has a lot of storage spaces. And I think this space is just enough for storing all the clothes and everything that I really want to store. I love this place. The view, the fresh air that comes into this room, the window, it was just very, very nice. I loved it. Honestly, I did not believe it when I got this house. This house was really on demand, and I kept checking it because I heard somebody was moving out. So I kept timing so that I don't get to miss it. So once more, we're going to look at the whole house again. So as you come out of my room, there is the corridor. It's a very not so long, but it's a long corridor, and I love it. There is a lot that can be done with the corridor. And as you come here, so that is the living area. It's so spacious. The living room is so big and spacious. You might not tell by the camera, but it's so spacious. Even when I did put everything, I was like, do I even have anything here to fill up my space? I really love this house. and I came back to the house. So it was the same day that I was moving. The rest of the things, they had been packed, and we did move. So thank you for watching. Let me see you in my next one as we arrange the house. Thank you and bye bye.